How to check purchase date of iPhone. Want to find out when you bought your iPhone? While iPhones don't directly show the exact purchase date, there's a quick and easy way to estimate it. Here's how. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Go to General About, then scroll to find your serial number. Tap and hold on it, then tap Copy. We'll use this to check the warranty status. Now, open Safari or any browser and go to checkcoverage.apple.com. Paste or type in your iPhone's serial number in the box, complete the CAPTCHA, and hit Submit. On the next page, you'll see your iPhone's purchase status, including the month and year it was bought. For example, if it says January 2022, that gives you a good idea of your iPhone's age. It's a super helpful way to track your device's purchase timeline. If this guide helped, feel free to like the video, subscribe for more quick tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.